Gathering and organizing information is a critical step in the problem-solving process, as it enables individuals or teams to make informed decisions based on evidence rather than assumptions. Effective research and data collection begin with identifying and using reliable sources. In today's world, information is readily available from a variety of sources, but not all of it is trustworthy or accurate. It is important to seek out information from credible and authoritative sources, such as peer-reviewed journals, reputable publications, government databases, or subject matter experts. Using unreliable sources can lead to misinformation, which can hinder problem-solving efforts and lead to poor decision-making. Once the research has been conducted, sorting through the gathered information to distinguish between useful and irrelevant data is essential. Not all information collected will be pertinent to the problem at hand. The ability to critically evaluate data and identify what is most relevant allows individuals to focus on the information that will help them move forward in solving the problem. This involves looking at the quality of the data, its relevance to the issue, and whether it directly addresses the key questions or challenges being faced. Irrelevant information, while interesting, can be a distraction and waste time if it does not contribute to finding a solution. To effectively manage large amounts of information, it is important to have systems in place for organizing it. Various tools can be used to help with this process, depending on the nature of the information and personal preferences. Mind maps are a popular visual tool that allows individuals to organize their thoughts and information in a non-linear way, which can be especially helpful for seeing connections between different ideas or pieces of data. By placing the central problem or topic in the middle of the map, branches can be created to represent different aspects of the issue, with sub-branches used for related information. Lists and charts are more linear methods of organization that can be useful for sorting information into categories, timelines, or stages. Lists are helpful for breaking down tasks, steps, or priorities, making it easier to focus on specific elements of the problem-solving process. Charts, on the other hand, can be used to display data in a visual format that makes patterns or trends easier to identify. They are especially useful when dealing with numerical data or when comparing different sets of information side by side. Digital tools have also become invaluable for gathering and organizing information. Software and applications designed for data management, such as spreadsheets, databases, or project management platforms, allow for the efficient organization and retrieval of information. These tools can store large amounts of data, track progress, and generate reports, making them highly useful for more complex problem-solving tasks. They also allow for collaboration, enabling multiple people to contribute to the organization and analysis of information. By gathering reliable information and organizing it effectively, individuals or teams ensure that they have a solid foundation from which to address the problem. The key is not just to collect data but to manage it in a way that makes it useful, accessible, and actionable. This structured approach to information management allows for more thoughtful analysis, clearer insights, and ultimately, better solutions.